Hi, I'm Jocelyn with the Beauty Breakdown by Joss. Welcome to my channel. I'm so grateful that you're here. This video, I'm going to be focusing on multi-masking. I'm going to take you through the 5 masks that I swear by. I love them. I rotate them throughout the week. I use some of them simultaneously, all for different reasons. So let's get started. The first mask is the Recharge Mask, and it is a charcoal detox mask. I love this one. It draws out the impurities from the environment. It's got mango seed, coconut oil, avocado oil. All of those different oils boost moisture, and the volcanic sand inside also exfoliates the skin. So for this demonstration, I'm just going to put a mask on each part of the face that I want to target. And I don't know why, I love using brushes and spatulas to apply my masks. I feel like it's less on my nails and my fingers. It's cleaner for my skin, and plus it just makes me feel fancy. This mask is super dark, super pigmented because it's charcoal. And what's so awesome is it goes on super thick and then dries and kind of like tightens up. Next, we're going to do the Rejuvenation Mask. This is one of my favorites. It is a bubble mask. What does that mean? It actually goes on kind of like a gel and then suds up into bubbles and then disintegrates. It's almost like you can watch it working. I'm going to place this one underneath my eyes because what's great about this mask is it refreshes, it hydrates, it has hyaluronic acid and glycerin, which locks in moisture. And as we get older, this area underneath our eyes really dries out. So I'm going to put that right here. It also has beads in it, which is really nice because as you rinse it off, it actually exfoliates too. Next on the list is the Radiance Mask. This one is fun. It goes on gold. How can you not have fun masking with a gold mask? It's brightening. It has retinol and glycolic acid, and it also has a turmeric extract. And the purpose of that is to create this brightening, illuminating, instant glow. Which, who doesn't want to be glowy, especially in the dead of winter, right? Fourth on the list is the Rescue Mask. I love this mask because it reminds me of a mini spa. Think of it as a soft and smoothing mask. The great thing about this mask is that it reduces redness and it calms the skin. It contains calamine, which you might know from poison ivy. We tend to put calamine on an irritated skin because it calms the skin. Last but not least is the Clarifying Mask. It comes from our Unblemished line, and although I don't battle with acne, I do tend to get breakouts, and so I rely on this mask more than I thought I would. It's so cool because it actually comes out white, and as you spread it on your skin, it turns purple. As you can imagine, I don't use all of these masks all the time, but plenty of times I'll have multiple concerns. If I'm breaking out on my face, I like to go for the Unblemished Clarifying Mask. If I'm feeling kind of red, especially after working out, I love using the Soothe Mask because it calms everything down. Sometimes in the dead of winter, I haven't seen the sun, I need a little pick-me-up. That Radiance Mask just really makes my face glowing. It looks supple. We tend to have tons of environmental factors affecting our skin. That charcoal mask is a great detox. An all-over mask, when you're done, it feels like it is just tightened everything. It sucks all the gunk out. Lastly, the bubble mask. When I'm feeling a little drab and I want to pick me up from an anti-wrinkle standpoint, that bubble mask is going to be my go-to. Within 10 minutes of it bubbling up, sudsing back down, and I rinse it off. My skin automatically feels tighter, it has a tighter appearance, and I feel more youthful. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found that video useful. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please do. Hit the subscribe button, share this link, share this video. More to come. Love you. Mwah.